This tropical twist on a classic drink is perfect for your Aloha Friday Pau Hana drinks, Cinco de Mayo, or even Taco Tuesday, so stick around. Aloha mai kako, my name is Relle and welcome to my bar, where I like to share all my favorite island and Hawaiian style drink recipes. Now, I want to preface this video with, I'm not much of a drinker, but my husband's been on my case to get drinks up on the blog. So here I am today, and I figure a mixed blended flavored drink would be perfect for the first one. So let's get started. First, you'll need 2 ounces of tequila, 2 ounces cream of coconut, 1 ounce lime juice, 1/2 ounce orange liqueur, 1/4 ounce agave, 1 cup ice, and toasted coconut flakes. And now what we're gonna do is get the ice into the blender. I like it frozen and blended, but if you like it on the rocks, you totally can make it like that as well. I'm gonna make 2 servings today. And then what you'll wanna do is rim the glass. You don't have to do this, but it's fun. And you can either get it wet with water, or what I like to do is use the cream of coconut, and then we'll use some toasted coconut on the outside, and it just makes it really fun. And then all you're gonna do is roll it into the cream of coconut just to act as a little bit of glue. And then once you get it out like that, it'll kind of look like this. And then all you have to do, if you can't get it to stick flat like that, then all you have to do is kind of tap it. And I like toasting the coconut because it really brings out that nutty flavor. These are unsweetened. You can use sweetened if you want, up to you. And it kind of looks like this. And some of them will fall off, no big deal. We'll put that on the side, and we'll do 1 more glass real quickly. There we go, like that. So now for the drink, you're gonna start with the tequila. And since we're making 2, we'll go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Some orange liqueur. 1 of those. Now, I pre-measured these out so it'd be a little bit quicker. So this is the cream of coconut. You can find it at most grocery stores. It's sweet and the key to the yumminess of this. And then a little bit of agave. If you can't find agave, you totally can use honey. You could even use simple syrup if you want. Put that one in. And then you can't have a margarita without some lime juice. So we'll get the lime. You'll roll it a little like this, and that'll help loosen it up and kind of get the juices going in there. And I got myself a handy dandy juicer because I didn't have one all this time and it was a little bit difficult. So you'll slice the lime in half, and we'll probably use the juice of 1. We'll see how much juice comes out of it. It really depends on the lime itself. You'll put it down like this, and then all you have to do is squeeze. I think we might have to use 2 for this one. Now, please enjoy your drinks responsibly. And these are for all my viewers, 21 and over. If you want to make this one for the kids, you totally can leave out the tequila and the orange liqueur, and it'll be a fun little mocktail that they can have too. Coconut and lime together is such a great combo. It's like peanut butter and jelly, right? And every superhero needs a sidekick, so they work very well together. And coconut, it's a very popular flavor here in Hawaii. Even though the coconut trees didn't start here, it has become a mainstay in a lot of the dishes that we make. All right, now the fun part, we'll blend it up. I think I like it a little more icy, so we'll get a little bit more ice into this. And I'm back with a little bit more ice. If you don't want it as thick and icy, then you don't have to add more, but I think I like it a little bit more. And we'll blend it up. Also, what I just noticed is the first glass that we rimmed, I didn't put too much of the cream of coconut, and you see how it stayed really nice. The second glass, I got a little excited and put too much, so now it's kind of dripping down. So lesson learned, you don't have to put so much on it to get it to stick, because otherwise it'll slide down like that. A little bit messy, but hey, I'm sure it still tastes yummy, right? And then we'll just split it in half. One and two, and I probably have extra for a little bit more. And for today's taste test, I've got a special guest for you, the hubby. So today I made frozen coconut margaritas. You want to try some?
Shoot.
Cheers. You like it?
Action.
And that's how you make frozen coconut margaritas. If you try this recipe, let me know. And if you like this video, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel by hitting that red subscribe button down below. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be updated every time I post a new video. Ahui ho!